Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Apple Maps and confirming location access so routes reflect where you are. Tap Search and type your destination. This places a pin you can inspect for address details. Once done, tap Directions and pick driving, walking, transit, or cycling so Maps computes the appropriate route. Make sure to add intermediate stops. Swipe up on the route card, tap Add Stop, then type or pick saved places. This gets your multi-stop itinerary, started with accurate distance and time estimates. Now refine the route by comparing offered alternatives. Tap each option to see estimated time, traffic delays, and live arrival info. Once you choose one, tap Details to preview turn-by-turn directions and lane guidance so you avoid last-minute lane changes. If you prefer a specific routing style, use the route options to avoid tolls or highways. Also, set a departure or arrival time or view transit departure times to sync your trip with buses or trains. This helps you plan around. To finish, tap Go to start navigation and enable spoken directions so you hear prompts hands-free. Connect to Bluetooth if using a car stereo. Once en route, save the route to favorites or share ETA with contacts so others know your arrival. If the route suddenly reroutes or shows wrong location, make sure location services are on and check Wi-Fi or cellular signal. Restart Maps or your device if problems persist. These steps get you moving and provide a single troubleshooting tip to resolve common navigation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.